Here I've got BLU Vivo Go, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first you have to open your Play Store right here, then click on the More icon, select My Apps and Games, and here in the first tab named Updates you can find all applications that can be updated. As you can see here, we've got them, and you can either update one particular application, for example Google Chrome, by tapping on Update icon right next to the application name, or you can update all of these applications by tapping on Update All. And as you can see here, you've got the download pending, and then all of these will be installed, so you will be able to use your device's applications and the latest versions. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, and then the applications will be updated in the background. As you can see, the updates are pending right here. So this is how you can update your applications. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.